how to hear, how you hear the heart spells and how it shakes and snakes. And I guess I was just too late. I guess I was too late, or I was too early for your awakening time. The alarm time has not come yet. I guess it's not sunset. I guess it's not sunset yet. Sunrise. Sometimes it's bittersweet. Between a mind behind between and behind of the mind. On the other side of a dream, I suppose. To hear reflection of a memory, it's bittersweet. The menagerie of middle manager reality, the great love of memory love. The middle manager of menagerie, it's bittersweet. It's to hear of Mortimer, modest demeanor, the modern memory, bittersweet. To hear of how you speak hearts, how they beat for time, how they beat business you down, how they beat. It's serious business. It's serious business. You see these things, you see these misdirections. Hearts never minded memory. What I deal with every day when I awake, I guess. In the inner heart, express, stand up to memory. Form inside. To hear of how you speak. A breath. Beauty is a serious thing. Time forget. I guess beauty is a serious thing. I guess I'll never see beauty is a serious thing. Time fragments and how they reflect. You do. Business you see these things. Beauty is these things you see.